Hello there, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top News Today. Let's explore today's market status and current news. Please be informed that this video is for information and education purpose only. I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor and do not hold any qualifications to provide financial guidance. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor to discuss your specific investment goals and risk tolerance. Market bounces back after a two-day dip. After a two-day decline, Indian stock market staged a comeback on June 12th. This positive sentiment could be attributed to anticipation of the US Federal Reserve's interest rate decision. Sensex went up by 150 points, closed at 3009.74, seeing an increase of 4.4%. Nifty 50 closed at 23,322.95, seeing an increase of 0.25%. Nifty Bank closed at 49,895.10, seeing an increase of 0.38%. Top gainer in today's market was Coal India, seeing an increase of 2.59%. Top loser in today's market was Mahindra, seeing a decrease of 1.69%. FIIs and DIIs activities. Both FIIs and DIIs were net buyers on June 12th. FII's gross purchase was rupees 15,273.41 crores. Gross sales was rupees 14,846.78 crores, which makes them their net buyers with 10 points of 426.63 increase. DII's gross purchase was 13,651.65 crores. Gross sales was rupees 13,417.90 crores, making them a net buyers of 233.75 points. Coal India surge. Coal India continued its impressive run with its stock price surging by 3% on Wednesday. This adds to its already substantial 113% gain over the past 10 months. Go Digital Q4 results. Go Digital, a leading Indian insurance company, witnessed a strong rise in its share price after reporting a significant 104 year-on-year increase in net profit for the fourth quarter. Popular Indian snack giant Haldiram's might be considered as an IPO as talks regarding a potential sale fell through. This news generated an excitement among the investors. Tata Motors growth plan. Tata Motors, a major Indian automaker, set ambitious growth targets. They aim to double their market share in the passenger vehicle segment by financial year 2030. Mid cap and small cap outperformance. An interesting aspect of today's trade was the outperformance of the BSC mid cap and small cap indices, both rising over 1%. This suggested broader market and participation and potential for growth in smaller companies. US Fed decision looms. The upcoming US Fed Reserve decision remains a key overhanging factor. Depending on this outcome, interest rate hike or hold, there could be a volatility in the upcoming markets, particularly for foreign institutional investors' activity. Federal Reserve likely to scale back plans for cut rates due to persistent inflation. They say inflation is higher than expected and Federal wants to control this through rate hikes. The Federal will likely release updated economic forecast on Wednesday. Economics predict core inflation will be 0.3% in May. Rupee ends nearly flat after RBI prevents record low. US Fed CPI in focus. The rupee ends nearly flat against the US dollar on Wednesday. The Reserve Bank of India likely intervened to prevent the rupee from falling to a new record low. Dollar demand from the importers put pressure on the rupee, but exporter dollar sales helped it inch up by the end of the trading session. Let's see a few IPO news. Ixigo IPO closes. Today was the last day to subscribe to the Ixigo IPO, which saw a strong demand and oversubscribed by 43%. DEE Piping Solutions IPO. This IPO was also in today's news with details about the issue date, price, allotment process available on the IPO watch. New news regarding new IPOs were given today. NIDO Home Finance NCD. IPO Watch also offered details on the NIDO Home Finance NCD issue with an effective yield of 10.74% per annum. To wrap this session, Indian stock market surged on June 12, 2024, with both Sensex and Nifty closely significantly higher. The Nifty even touched a record high during trade, positive sentiment likely to be stemmed from the anticipation of the upcoming economic data. The broader market also participated in the rally, with mid cap and small cap indices experiencing gains. Thank you. Stay tuned for more informative news. Please support, like, share, and subscribe.